Kamusta? Nababo kabalen? Kamusta kay po? My name is Louis. Welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Nefertem Scents for sending us their products. And upfront, guys, we would like to inform you that this is a feature video, so more than a review, it's a highlight of their product. So if you want to know more about Nefertem, be with me. If you notice, guys, these are scents. Although meron tayong mga classics as well as mga perfume-inspired scents. They take pride of their scents, no? Sabi nga ng tagline nila is, let the scents do the talking. Ayan. So, let me mention or name yung mga pinadala nila. First off with their mga perfume-inspired, no? So, this is Thea. This is a DNG light blue-inspired scent. This is Oron, the Happy Clinic-inspired perfume. This is for men. And then the Davidoff Cool Water for men. So again, these are scents that are perfume inspired, available for men and women. Now, let's go to their yung mga classic mga ayan. These are Disinfectant Aroma sprays. Can be used sa mga curtains. They can also be used to disinfect yung mga surfaces natin, as well as inside our cars or our rooms. So these disinfectant aroma sprays can be used. Let me mention kung ano yung mga pinadala nila sa atin. So this scent is a lavender and floral scent. I believe yung mga classic nila, disinfectant aroma spray are nature inspired, no? I think yun yung nila. Now this one is a rainforest fresh bamboo scent. Most of the time, kapag kumukuha ako ng mga scents for our room, ito yung kinukuha ko, bamboo scents or yung forest, man. So, yeah, I like that kind of smell. Now, this is Athena. This is naman, crisp green apple and mint scent. So, another scent variation is the shower clean and warm cotton scent. So, I guess this is great for your bed, pillow, mga linens, as well as your bathroom. So sabi niya dito, it's a shower clean scent. Now this is, wow, Lathyrus. Ano naman siya? Sweet pea scent. This is a peppermint. And then, the last one is honey and melon scent. Wow, I think I like this sa naman, sa kitchen. Yeah, because it's gonna give that, parang sweet and fruity flavor ng kitchen. Okay, so yung mga packages natin comes in this kind of packaging. Very, very elegant. Kung may word ako na kumbaga i-describe yung mga packaging nila is ang lakas makasosyal. Ang very very elegant. So the packages that they sent us comes with yung 3 pieces products at 4 pieces products. And lastly is this. Let me read this one. So this is a Beau and Aroma. So dried flower diffuser. So I usually see sa mga Home Depots is they have this kind of bottle and then yung parang bamboo sticks or chopsticks, something na mga ganun yung mga nakikita kong diffuser. But this one, this is dried fruit. So gawin natin siya, no? So let's assemble it. Okay, so you put in your oil. So may kasama siyang oil. Ayan. Okay. Ooh, whoa. Oh wow, that's really napakabango. And then the next step is you style it with these dried leaves. So, yun nga sabi ko kanina, instead of just yung mga normal sticks lang, like yung mga parang mukhang mga chopsticks or bamboo sticks. So, these are now available. Meron siyang dried flower. Pardon me with my arrangement, guys, no? And then, I think this is parang yung pinaka-main natin, straw for the perfume. So, yung mga oil parang absorbed by the dried leaves, the dried stems, as well as the dried stick. And then, it will diffuse. So, alright. So, if you are looking for an alternative for your giveaways, for your gifts, or even for your own personal use, sabi nga kanina, these are great for disinfection as well, aside from it gives that really great scent. If you're interested to know more about this, make sure to check out their fan page. It's gonna be flashing on your screens. And if you are interested to do business with them as well, like probably a distributorship or reselling this, just contact them at their fan page. And who knows, you might be in for your next business then. So there you have it, guys. Very bold. Sabi po ni Nefertem, let the scent do the talking. You smell it to believe it. Grabe. These are really great for, sabi nga, giveaways and as well as your personal consumption. So, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye, guys.